Hi guys, let's discuss about column and row self in Tableau. So basically this is called as column and row self in Tableau, this two tab. So how to work with this column and row selves? Let's drag this some of the dimension and measure to column and row self. I drag category here, and if I drag here sales, then it will be generate automatically a chart. This chart is called as bar chart. Then I go to show me and change this chart. Okay, this is another option to changing. So here I change this dimension and measures row to column by using Control W to changing this part. Another way to changing is that here you should change. And what is the uses of row and column set? Means you have to add more number of dimension also here. I add this reason here. So it is generated a different type of bar chart like region wise also. So if I click here the tooltip, the data is whatever the data is visible here. So another most important point is that you have to double click here and you have to apply here multiplication into 10, sum of the cells into 10, then it is multiply by 10. So here you have to change the calculation also. So here you should change the calculation in this way. Also have to change the function here. This is the one way. Another way is to right click here and change the function like median function, change it to different type of aggregation function like count function. So this is all about your rows and columns in Tableau.